Victoria. I believe his first touch here in this game. To the middle. Up and in para kay Curdy Victoria plus the foul.
That's Kyle Pascual on the help out. High ball screen and then attack to the middle for Curdy. Netting him a foul against Kyle Pascual.
Ito pa rin talaga yung parang patutulugin ka muna ni Curdy Victoria. Then that burst. Takbo tayo sa kabila, Curdy Victoria. Pinalipat lang si Ralgi Marangan.
You see how smart he was. Didn't go up for that shot. Did not.
Victoria will lead the break now for the JY Titans. Takes it all the way for two.
That's too easy. 6 points now.
He's down. What a luxury para sa JY Titans. Bigay mo lang yung bola kay Curdy Victoria.
Sailing in.
Ahead to Curdy. Pass a bit behind. Attacks nevertheless. Another bucket para sa Antipolo. Dahan-dahan na silang bumibitaw dito, Coach Anton. Benitez. Through the middle. Shot too strong. Victoria looking ahead. Finds Navera. Able to escape once again. Victoria thought about the three. Coming closer. Dempsey. No! Curdy Victoria and one.
Going inside, getting the contact. Now you see me, now you don't. What a move by Curdy.
Move brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. Umupo pa. Umili pa ng kasoy. May Antipolo. Bago tinira.
Parang naglaba pa sa ere.
And completes the three-point play, although